Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today I'm looking at a mirror. It's a Hollywood vanity mirror. This is the Pro version. This has the Bluetooth connection so you can hook up your phone. It does come with 3 color modes: warm, bright, and cool. 4 brightness levels: max, high, mid, and low. Again, Bluetooth speakers, 12-watt USB charging port in the back. Includes a cleaning cloth and a removable 10x detailed mirror for more detail when you're doing your makeup. So a really nice product. I did purchase this myself just to be clear and transparent. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you how it works. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. It's the fastest unboxing ever. 3, 2, 1. And this is what it looks like, just like this here. It's a very nice mirror. As you can see here, it's very, very large. You can do your makeup. All your controls are in the front here. As you can see, you have the power button. This turns on the power for the Bluetooth speaker. This is the power button for the lights, the volume control, Bluetooth setup. I'll show you that in 1 second. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 lights to go all around. Will give you perfectly even lighting. The size of the unit, just so you know, I think it's important, is approximately 19 inches tall, approximately 12 inches wide, and the depth of the base is approximately a little over 5 inches. That's the size of the actual unit. Now, the unit itself is very heavy. It's made out of heavy quality. You can see the back here. Now, the back here we have a USB A plug right here so you can charge your phone. Okay, and then we have a Bluetooth reconnect button here to do that as well. It does have a speaker built into it as well, which is kind of cool. This is a really, really nice mirror. Very, very high quality. There's no question about it. I love the way it looks. I love the way it's made. Let's just get to the features of the light itself. The light itself, to turn the light on, hold the button down. It turns the light on. Really simple. And then you got the different modes, okay? Different light temperatures. To change the light temperature, you hold the button down. You'll see it go cycle to its light temperatures. 1, 2, 3, and back. 2, 3. So say you like this light temperature, you want to adjust it, you just tap it. You can see it going down till it shuts off. Same thing, as bright as you want, it goes back down. So you get 3 different levels there. Let's just check that out. So that's on 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the lowest, okay? Now, put it back on, change that temperature, hold the button down. You like this temperature, a little bit more warmer, but it's too bright. Again, you can just lower that. Super easy, as you can see that. Super simple. So the Bluetooth, let me shut that off. So put it back on again. And you'll see that what happens when you first turn it on, this is blinking here. Hopefully you can see. Let me just shut this light off so you can see. So this is blinking right here. This is telling you that it's to connect your Bluetooth. And that's simple. Just go to your phone settings, go to Bluetooth, okay? And then when you go to Bluetooth, you'll see a device it's searching for. It's called iHome right here. Click on that. It'll connect. It's connected, as you can see now. It's just that fast to connect it. And I'm just going to play a radio station, just a talk show. We don't want to have any issues with copyright, but so here we go. Here we go. See that? Now you can turn the volume down. So this is actually controlling from your phone. Back up, back down again. And to shut that off, all you have to do is hit the power button. And that shuts down the power for the speaker section. You can charge your phone with a wire, like I showed you before in the back. And then it has this is a small close-up mirror that does come with it. An adhesive, you pull off the back, you stick it where you want to, what's more comfortable for you. And that's pretty much it. That's what I have for you. This is, again, the iHome. Beautiful, it's a really nice quality makeup mirror. If you're looking to do your makeup, I highly recommend something like this. You know, you can sit down in a vanity, relax, and do your makeup, play your music, and just chill out. So definitely highly recommend this. It's a really nice quality and very well built. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for tuning into your review channel. Hope you enjoyed this product review, and I hope I taught you a little bit about how to use it, my thoughts, and my opinions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the top of the video and also down and below in the description. There will be links for this specific mirror. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Appreciate everyone watching this video. It's been fantastic. See you later.